my friend, one Tibetan monk, I often used to telling people, as an example, he spent about 20 years, I think about 18, 19 years in Chinese Gulag after 59. And early 80, with some others Tibetan, also then allowed the new policy led by Deng Xiaoping, so open, a little easier. So that monk also eventually come to India and joined his previous monastery. Since I know very well that person, so one day we casual talk, and then he mentioned during 18, 90 years in Chinese Gulag, he faces some danger, few occasions. I thought maybe danger on his life. And I asked, what kind of danger? And he mentioned danger of losing compassion towards Chinese. So they consider it's very important to keep compassionate attitude towards perpetrator. So result, that person still alive, now I think 95 or 94,